Well, I'm back up here again with the trailer frame. I'm just here to check to see if the paint is drying successfully, and it seems to have. And I'm going to look through it find some thin spots and touch them up. As you can see, paint dried pretty well. That hole out of the way here. Paint dried up. It's not bad looking at all. I'm just about ready. There's a thin spot right there I have to check on. Touch that up a bit. A couple of thin areas down along here. The flashlight out here. See that area right there looks a little bit thin. Let's see. Yeah, so a few things that need to be touched up. Outside of that, looks pretty good. The rusty metal primer's on there. Everything's got a good even coat. As I said earlier, I have not done the underside of the trailer. I'm going to wait till spring to do that when I can get it into a warmer spot. Set it up outside. I also touched up the paint on the wheel hubs a bit. And then we'll look a little bit nicer. So it should look good. I'll have to touch up the wheel hubs again, unfortunately, because I'll probably get some red on it while I'm doing the top coat, but that's not a big deal. We're ready to go here. So, another step down. We're almost there. I'm putting the floor on this before you know it. Hey everybody, Wolf here again. Back up at my uncle's house doing some more work on the trailer. Tonight is top coat night. Or at least some of it. I'm not going to finish it, but I'm going to get some of the top coat on tonight. See what happens there. So I'm not going to talk too much today. I actually had an unexpected tooth extraction this morning, which doesn't thrill me too much, but let's just start off by saying I've did poor care of my teeth over the years, so I'm still suffering the consequences, so definitely take care of your teeth. Believe me, it's worth it. Now we're up here to do something fun. So let's get some paint on this trailer. This is the results of 2 cans of red spray paint. Not the best painting job ever done, that's for sure. I can see a lot of areas where it's a little thinner and other areas where it's a little thicker. So I'm going to have to go over it with a second coat before I'm done. This is all that was in stock at my favorite hardware store, Rounds Hardware. So I have to wait till they get some more in, which they told me could be as long as Friday. A bit of a wait, considering that today is... What is today? Today is also Friday, so it could be another week. But anyway, I'm getting there. Looking real nice now. I probably have to get 2 more cans of red, maybe even 3. It's going to take a bit. Get this covered correctly. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Tonight we're going to be working on the trailer jack. Had some problems getting it to fit. It turns out the trailer jack is exactly 2 inches. The hole is 1.95 inches. I did manage to get it to fit, but it's a really tight fit. I want to try to file that down a little bit more, so I'll have some room in there to put some paint, because I have to paint it after I finish filing it. So this old file is what I used to widen this hole out. Found this in the basement here, in my uncle's basement, so it's actually one of my grandfather's tools. I suspect he'll be happy that I'm using his tools to work on these projects. It probably dulled the file down some, but this is what we're going to continue on with here. So I don't know if this idea is going to work, but if I can speed up the process with the use of a Dremel, let's try it. I don't think that's going to work. Yes, you can use a Dremel to do this. Just need the right tip and the right speed. Okay.